It can happen at any moment. Disaster strikes. A major flood occurs. A tornado rips through your home. A fire breaks out unexpectedly. Or perhaps it's something much less dramatic. A busted water line, smoke damage, visible mold. Either way, the impact can be the same. What will you do in your time of need? What if it's after business hours? The answer is simple. You need NiteOwl Restoration. NiteOwl is available 24/7 and is one of the only companies that offers full-service reconstruction on top of emergency cleanup services. For a free quote or to request immediate service, call NiteOwl at 832-593-1600 or visit them online at www.niteowl247.com.